Hey there, let's see what we have learned throughout this section. In this section, we have seen some more methods of the data processing. We have used the one-hot encoding to generate the key and encode it, and used the one-hot hash encoding to perform the hashing on the key before encoding. We saw how we can select, drop, copy, and concatenate column in the data view. Created a custom mapping function to map value in the data view, and also see how to register the assembly in the ml.net. Then learn how we can restrict the feature selection based on the column having the value. Then see how we can handle the missing value. We can identify the column with the missing value and also replace its value with the minimum, maximum, mean or the default value. We also learn how we can use the expression to use the basic mathematical operation and conditional operator. For this, we do not need to register the assembly. In the end, we have learned how we can determine the change point, anomaly, and the spike in the time series data. Goodbye.